Good morning, everyone. I'm Chris Bystead. I'm here in beautiful Junction City at Guarantee RV, and I have got a trailer to show you that I think you're really going to like. A lot of people are looking for the perfect couples trailer. I think this one is a really good choice. It's a Heritage Glen 2021 25 RBHL. What that basically means is there's a rear bath in the back, and it's got a beautiful slide, a beautiful layout. You're gonna love it. One of the things I wanted to just let you know, it's got a huge pass-through on the outside, big beautiful awning. We've even got a griddle and a refrigerator here. So all of your camping and fun can be right out here under the awning, and everything that you need is right out here. And beautiful solid step entry onto the inside, and I can't wait to show you the inside. I think if it's just the two of you just want to get away, this might be the perfect one. And by the way, you don't have to have a monster truck to pull it. It's only 25 feet. It'll get in just about anywhere. And I think the dry weight's a little over 6,000 pounds, so totally half-ton towable. Let's take a look inside. So walking up these big solid steps, you see the largest, widest door in all the trailers that we carry. It's a wonderful access. You walk in, and the first thing you see, which most people just don't even notice until they leave the trailer, is to the right there's this beautiful door that opens up into a pantry. So you've got lots of room for extra things that you're going to need. Food and brooms and whatever you would need to store in there. Instant pots, coffee pots, toasters, whatever. Lots of space in there to carry stuff, which is really awesome because most of the time if you want to get away, sometimes for a week or two, it's nice to have carrying capacity. And you'll look right here, people love this bathroom. It's gorgeous. Notice it's all gray, kind of a gray tone, very neutral. We've got a large bathroom with plenty of drawers, cabinet space, a sink, a slider door that slides back and forth, kind of a barn door style. Plenty of room and storage in that bathroom. When you walk in, you'll also notice theater seating right in front of the TV with Jensen TV, Jensen DVD player, Bluetooth, AM, FM, speakers, and a gorgeous electric fireplace right in front of you. You don't have to watch TV over your right or left shoulder. It's right straight on at you, which is really nice. People like that. Comfortable place to sit. Beautiful dinette with extra storage underneath. That makes into an extra bed if you want to bring a couple people with you. You've got a beautiful mid-size refrigerator and freezer. It's Dometic. Great kitchen in here. Furrion electronics. So you've got the microwave, the hood and fan, 3-burner cook stove, an oven, and a pot and pan drawer underneath. You don't see that very often. With a composite countertop, it's not laminate, it's lightweight and durable. Big, huge farmhouse sink and extended counter space right here, which is really great. People love the cabinetry in here, the fact that there's a window in the kitchen and a skylight over the top. Lots of light, lots of windows in this main living area. It's just beautiful. Moving on into the bedroom, you'll see there's storage under the bed. High-end, like a lot nicer mattress than what you normally see in travel trailers. Kind of a barn wood look to the back with shirt closets on both sides and cubby. Storage up over top. Plenty of places to plug in devices, USB plug-ins, reading lights, a place for a CPAP if you need it, an emergency exit, all behind a barn door. It's just really, really a beautiful trailer, just the right size, everything that you really need, and all the comforts of home, and it even looks like a remodeled home. That's one of the reasons people love these trailers, is when you walk in, everyone just says, wow, because they're so beautiful. So I think this would be an awesome trailer. I would love to show this to you. We've got several of these Heritage Glen trailers in different floor plans and sizes. I know we have the right one for you, but this one is pretty special, I think you'd have to admit. I'd love to show it to you. Please give me a call. My name's Chris Bystead. You can call me at 541-636-7878.